In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock and access the new Trading 212 feature, which is 212 Crypto, that will allow you to buy or sell cryptos or just trade any crypto you want. So the process is very simple. All you need to do is click right here and you will find this new option which is 212 Crypto. You can click here and you will need to set up your account. So this is very easy. You will need to fill in a very simple form where they will ask you questions which you just need to fill just so they can know your knowledge about crypto. So just read all this, reply the questions, and now the account setup is completed. So now you will need to deposit funds if you want to start using crypto. So you can deposit through different payment methods like a bank transfer, Google Pay, or I think you can do Apple Pay as well. You can pay with your credit card directly. And once you have the funds, you can just go to the platform and buy any crypto you want and start trading. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.